Toyota is breathing new life into one of its most iconic badges, and it's arriving in 2026 with a bold new direction, the Land Cruiser FJ. While it was originally expected in 2024, delays have only added to the anticipation. Now Toyota looks set to make a splash with a compact off-roader that combines nostalgic design with real capability. The design of the Land Cruiser FJ is a clear nod to the past. Inspired by the compact cruiser EV concept, it brings back that boxy, rugged look that off-road enthusiasts love, complete with a rear-mounted spare tire, tall stance, and aggressive off-road tires. Sized between the Corolla Cross and the RAV4, this SUV hits the sweet spot between city maneuverability and trail toughness. But don't confuse this with your average crossover. Unlike most modern SUVs that pretend to be tough, the FJ walks the walk. It's expected to ride on a body-on-frame platform, possibly the same one used in the Toyota Hilux Champ, with a Torsen limited slip differential and a proper 4WD setup. This little beast is built to handle dirt, rocks, and whatever the wilderness throws its way. Under the hood, Toyota is keeping things simple but effective. A 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine with around 161 horsepower is expected to be standard. For markets like North America, a more powerful 203 horsepower option, borrowed from the RAV4, might be offered. There's also a strong possibility of a hybrid variant for better efficiency and emissions compliance. Where it really gets interesting is the price. While the new full-size Land Cruiser sits above $56,000, the Land Cruiser FJ could start as low as $35,000 in the US. That's incredibly aggressive pricing for a real off-roader with Toyota reliability and heritage. In Japan, it may even start closer to $27,000, making it one of the most affordable true 4x4 South on the planet. And Toyota isn't watering anything down. The Land Cruiser FJ is more than just a nameplate. It's a symbol of Toyota's off-road DNA, packed into a smaller, more accessible format. Whether you're new to off-roading or a seasoned adventurer, this SUV is shaping up to be the real deal. Inside, don't expect plush luxury. This cabin is designed to get dirty with wipe-down surfaces, durable materials, and intuitive controls. However, you'll still get modern tech, likely including a touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and Toyota's suite of safety features. As buyers increasingly seek compact SUVs with authentic off-road chops, Toyota is answering that call. The Land Cruiser FJ arrives at just the right time, offering more than soft road promises. It's offering real adventure in a downsized form. The blend of affordability, ruggedness, and heritage makes the FJ one of the most exciting launches in years. It's not trying to be everything to everyone, but for those craving something tough, compact, and capable, this might be the answer. So, if you've been dreaming of a Land Cruiser that won't break the bank or the trail, the 2026 FJ could be your perfect ride. It's more than just a baby Land Cruiser. It's a revolution on four wheels.